So hello guys, in this video we will cover gyro compass exercise 1 gyro error. So before going to solve the numerical, we will just look forward that what is the definition and what is gyro compass. Okay, so what is gyro compass? So the gyro compass is an electromechanical instrument. What is gyro compass? The gyro compass is an electromechanical instrument that works on the gyroscopic inertia of a wheel spinning at a very high rate. So what is the definition of gyro compass? The gyro compass is an electromechanical instrument that works on the gyroscopic inertia of a wheel spinning at a very high rate. And one more thing about gyro compass, that is it is unaffected by external magnetic influences. It is unaffected by external magnetic influences. Okay, and when the gyro is running in proper order, it is constantly pointing to true north. When the gyro compass is running in proper order, it is constantly showing or pointing to true north. Okay guys, I think you must have understand, when the gyro compass is running in proper order, then it is pointing to true north. In case of power failure, electricity failure, so there is a alternate power supply is available on board which can run the gyro compass for several hours. So now we are going to solve the numerical exercise 1 in gyro error. Exercise 1 in gyro error. Okay, so before going to solve the gyro error, I am going to tell you one thumb rule which you must have to learn by heart. And this is a very simple rule or formula, you can say that if the gyro reading is high, if the gyro reading is high, your error would be the high. Okay, and if the gyro reading is less, your error would be the less. Same as true reading, if the true reading high, your error would be the less. Your error would be the less. And if your true reading is less, your error would be the high. So you don't need to mesmerize or mug up this formula. Just try to focus in this formula. In case of gyro error, if the gyro error is you are going to solve the numerical of gyro error, and in the question zero reading and true reading is given you, and the question is saying to you that you have to find out the error. So you have to apply this formula. This is very important formula for finding out the error. So the first question is given here in your the practical navigation exercise, that is the true reading is given here is equal to 275 degree and zero reading is 276 degree. So here the question is asking to you find out the error. So just tell me, just try to focus on the formula. If the zero reading is high, then your error is high, but here which is greater than this? So here the zero reading is greater than the true reading. So here the first formula, that is if the zero is high, then error would be the high. So what would you write here? High, and you will subtract it 1 degree. So definitely you will find out the answer, because here the zero reading is higher than the true reading, so the error would be the high, and you subtract to each other, you will get the answer. Second question is given here, true reading and zero reading 126 degree, 124 degree, and find out the error. So here true reading is greater than the zero reading, means you have to do the vice versa. Here zero reading is less than the true reading. So what will be happen? If the zero reading is less, so your error will be the less. So you have to write here less. Subtract it 2 degree low. That means your error is 2 degree low. Third question is your true reading and your zero reading is given to you. Find out the error. So your true reading is given here 341 degree and your zero reading is given here 342.5 degree. Find out the answer. So just look the formula. Here the zero reading is greater than the true reading. So if the zero reading is high, your error would be the high. So your error is high. Subtract it 1.5 degree. Your high would be the answer. Fourth question is given to you, your true reading and zero reading, and find out the error. So fourth question, true reading is 192.5 degree and zero reading is 191.5 degree. So find out the error. So tell me guys, which is greater than? So your true reading is greater than and zero reading is less than. So here, because we know that zero reading is less than the true reading, so we will write here low. We will subtract, so 1 degree low. Here zero reading is less than the true reading, and if the zero reading is less, your error would be the less, and definitely you always you have to subtract it. Fifth question is given here, true reading, zero reading, find out the error. So your true reading is 044 degree and zero reading is 044 degree. This is very simple question. Just subtract, because both values are same. Just so this is 000 degree. Okay. Now I just solve if the zero compass error and the if the true and zero reading is given here, and you have to find out the zero compass error. So this is the first. But what about second? If the true reading and zero error is given to you and you have to find out the zero reading, so how will you solve it? So in second numerical we will look, if the true reading is given here and error is given here, and if the question is saying to me that find out the zero reading, So how we will solve? Here true reading is 144 degree. Here is 1 degree high. Then find out the gyro reading. So how we will solve it? So we will solve because we know that our gyro reading is high. How? Because error is high. If the error is high, then our gyro reading would be the high. So true reading will be the less. So if the gyro reading is high than the true reading, so we will add 145 degree. Okay. So this is our answer. Guys, because we know that our error is high. If the error is high, then our gyro reading would be the high. So here error is high, our gyro would be the high as compared to true reading. And second question is given here 186 degree our true reading, error is 2 degree low, and find out the gyro reading. So how will you find out? Because true reading is 186 degree and error is 2 degree low. So if the error is 2 degree low, that means your gyro reading would be the less. So you will subtract, that is 184 degree. Okay. So this is your answer. Likewise, if third question is given here, if the true reading is 337 degree and your error is 0.5 degree high, so find out the gyro reading. So because here true reading is 337 degree and error is 0.5 degree high, so we will look into the formula that if the error is high, then the gyro reading would be the high. So that means our gyro reading would be greater than the true reading. So we will add 337.5 degree. Okay. That is our. Now let's move to the fourth question. That is if the true reading is 000 degree and error is 1.5 degree low. So what would be our gyro reading? Okay. So guys, if 000 degree is given here, so we can assume it that this is our 360 degree. I am just going to tell you why we will assume the 360 degree, because in quadrant this is our north, this is our south, this is east, and this is our west. Okay. So basically in quadrant we will start it from 000 degree, 090 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and again this would be our 360 degree. So 0 degrees are 360 degrees same. So how will we get the answer? We will assume it that this is our 360 degree. So the true reading is 360 degree and error is 1.5 degree low, means if the error is less, so our gyro reading would be the less. So we will subtract it 360 degree minus 1.5 degree, that is our 358.5 degree. Now let's move to the fifth question, that is our 359 degree our true reading and error is 1 degree high. So what would be our gyro reading? Okay, because our error is high, so gyro reading would be the greater than the true reading, so we will add, so that is our 000 or 360. Okay. Now let's move to the next question in exercise 1 gyro error. That is our in third question. Here it is given here you are the given the gyro reading and gyro error. Gyro reading and gyro errors is given here. We have to find out the true reading. So how we will solve? Just same formula apply here. If the gyro reading is high, error would be the high. If the gyro reading is low, then error would be the low. So here error is high, 2 degree high, means if the error is high, then our gyro reading would be the high as compared to true reading. So we will subtract it, that is 127 degree. Okay, next questions. Our error is 1 degree low, that means if the error is less or low, so our gyro reading would be the less than the true reading. That means we will add 222 degree. Here our error is less, means if the error is less or low, so our gyro reading would be the low as compared to true reading. So we will add it 343.5 degree. Here error is 1 degree high, error is high, so gyro reading would be greater than the true reading, so we will subtract it, that is 179 degree. Very simple, very simple and very easy. These solutions you can find out, don't need to mug up the formula, just try to understand and which is high, which is low, and you can easily find out the answer. Here 1 degree high, error is high, that means our gyro error is reading would be greater than the true reading, because here error is high. So what will be the answer? We will subtract it, because here error is high, and we know that if the error is high, that means our gyro reading would be greater than the true reading, so we will subtract, we will find out the answer 118 degree. Okay guys, very simple, just try to look the formula, thumb rule, this is thumb rule. Okay, and here very simple, you have to just think that if your error is high, then your gyro reading would be the high. If gyro reading is, which is high, tell me from here. Gyro reading is high, so your error is high, and if the error is high, your gyro reading would be high as compared to true reading. So this is very easy, and you can find out. For daily quick tips, follow me on Instagram, link in description. And if you guys found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.